Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Gmail and go straight to account settings. You must act now. You will check app version, OS version, and network. Why? Because outdated software or flaky connections block sync. Once done, force stop the app on Android or swipe close on iOS, then reopen to trigger a fresh sync. Make sure account credentials are current, and if you changed your password elsewhere, re-enter it here so the app can authenticate immediately and resume syncing. Once the app restarts, dig into the detailed settings to find why sync stalls. You will verify the Gmail sync toggle, background data permission, and fetch schedule so mail can update automatically. If messages still fail, clear app cache on Android or offload and reinstall on iOS because temporary files sometimes corrupt sync metadata. Next, remove and re-add the specific Google account. This resets tokens and forces a full mailbox download, which resolves most mid-process sync inconsistencies. After re-adding the account, perform a manual sync and inspect any error messages shown. They tell you what to fix next. Make sure a map is enabled in Gmail web settings if you use a mail client, because client versus server settings can conflict. If you still see errors, check Google account security prompts, revoke stale app passwords, and create a new app password if required. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different network to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.